Lastly, we want to package our file so that we can share it with others without losing any quality or having any missing links or fonts. To package our file, go to the File menu and choose Package. In this summary page, go ahead and click Package. Navigate to where you want to save your folder to. In this case, I'm going to use my desktop. For the folder name, I'm going to go ahead and give this a name of my name. Please substitute and use your name, _ menu styles. This is going to create a folder on my desktop with this name. If they aren't already, make sure that the following items are checked for copying fonts, copy linked graphics, update graphics in link package, include IDML, and include PDF print. Click Open to save your packaged file. Now looking at my desktop, I see that I have my name menu styles. If I open this folder, I see that I have my document fonts, links, IDML file, Indesign file, and PDF. Going back to my desktop, I want to right-click on this folder and on a PC, choose Send to Compressed Zip Folder. This will create a zip file of my folder that can be more easily shared or uploaded as needed. If you're working on a Mac, complete the same steps, but when you right-click, choose the option Compress to produce your zip file.